Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I will show you exactly how to customize your bookmark folder in OperaGX in 2025 so that you can keep things clean, colorful and super organized. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your OperaGX web browser. Over here, you need to press Ctrl plus Shift plus B on your keyboard. This will land you here inside your bookmark tab. If you are not able to find it over here, you can also click on the settings icon and then select the option of bookmark here in the top. Now, once you are inside your bookmark manager, you need to start creating a new folder. For that, simply click on this plus icon here in the top. Over here, you need to provide your folder a name. For example, for this particular folder, I'm going to be typing something like work tool. As you can see, this is the folder that I have selected. You need to make sure that you keep it clear so that you know what's inside a glance if you are creating multiple folders over here. Now you need to click and drag the individual folders into your folder. You can also drag the entire folder into other folders to create subfolders for even deeper organization. Now within the manager, you can just drag and drop the folders or the bookmark up to down to order them. To pin a folder to the bookmark, you just have to drag it there directly and it will be done here. Now it will show the drop down menu to get the quick access to the grouped link. If you click over here right next to it, you can just only change the name over here. And if you don't like this bookmark, you can just simply click on this delete button in order to delete it. You will see a bunch of different methods as well how you can view your folder. So this one is looking nice, so you can select this one. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.